So my little beater truck here behind me got the death wobble a couple days ago when my husband was driving it. So I don't know, I'd never heard of the death wobble before, but apparently it's pretty deadly. So the husband doesn't want me to drive it anymore. So we're gonna go to the dealership. We actually have a vehicle that the transmission went out on. It's a Nissan Titan. So we've been paying on it for way too long to just sit there because we just didn't have the thousands of dollars it took to actually fix it. So we've been paying on it. We have a car payment for a vehicle that's sitting there. So we're gonna try to go to a dealership and see if we can trade that one in and hopefully get right around the same amount payment wise, because it just stinks. It's always something, especially if you're poor. Alright, so we're going to the dealership and we'll see what they have to offer and say. So this truck here is officially retired and now is a ranch truck. And we are extending our garden. So we have this little guy that we've been doing really well with, getting a lot of food out of. But we want more. So we're extending it. Now Darren's doing manual labor, filling in those beds. And this is my new toy. Had to get a truck because cars are no fun. She's awful pretty. And she's blue. Naturally, for blue cactus, we should have blue. Quite the upgrade. That's what I was driving. And this is what I'm driving now. They're getting encouraged to fly away. The babies are coming on the edge and flapping their wings. Of course, when I get my camera out, it doesn't happen. Just wanted to give everybody a little update on Coda. He is still with us, so that's a plus. That's a big plus. But he's weak and tired. He still has breathing issues, which he's had from birth. He's never overcome that. But, like I said, he's still with us. He's up walking around. He's doing a lot better than he was yesterday. You silly puppies. It's not about you. But, if you can just see the little weak guy. We're doing everything we can. We got ourselves a full rainbow. Where'd you find it?
Right over there next to those rocks.
Oh man. He's just a little guy.
He's friendly too.
No. He'll throw his little hairs at you from his butt.
Ew.
He's got big claws on his butt. Coda getting spoiled. Mr. Coda. He loves his mama. There's always something. Always something. Letting the little boys out. Look at Everest. He thinks he's big, tough stuff. Little manly man. And Fancy Feet's doing good. Check it out. It's been a week. It's getting all dried up. His little ball sack. Are you saying hi to the ladies? Man, he's a pretty boy. What are you doing, Fancy Feet? Huh? Oh, goodness. You got tricks. We've got to clean these pens. 2 weeks and they look horrible. You girls keep a messy house. You got quite the mohawk there, Everest. You gonna go say hi to the boys? Everything is getting so green. Love it. You saying hi to the boys? You'll be in there with them eventually. They'll be your homies. These kittens are about too big to be kittens anymore. Aren't you? I've got a couple people coming out tomorrow to choose to. Hey, Tinky. Gonna go be rat patrol on somebody else's little ranch, huh? Get all this green stuff growing back. And green. Everything else you could still see the top of the old grass, but deep down in it, it's growing. Got a little bit of rain last night. So pretty. I love this place. What are you doing, Maddie? So I think I figured out what's wrong with the fig tree. It's just crazy. It's leafing out again like it's springtime, so check it out. See all the new growth? What in the world? So maybe we'll get figs this year after all. I don't know what's going on. But it wants to do it again, that's cool. flew out of the nest. I was hoping to get it, but they were savvy to it. Here's two of them. There were, oh, three, there's three. Oh my God. Okay, they can fly. What about you, mister? Let's see. Man, they grew fast. That was crazy. You can see his little baby feathers still hanging on. Oh. Flying. That's adorable. Pretty glorious moment. This little boy just pooped on his own for the first time in like 5 days. Coda! He's walking around and his legs are a lot stronger. Aren't they? So he's on the up. He's not 100% if you can see his little face. Hey, mister. What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie? I was just thinking I had to go give him an enema and he just pooped. Good boy. Good boy. Tin and I are gonna go check on the bucks. And go see if Lucky likes Tin. Hey boys. Hey Lucky, Tin wanted to meet you. What do you think? Oh my goodness. You don't care if he's on your fence? I think we found something. Lucky doesn't care if it's on his fence. Except for Merle. Merle, you acting like your daddy. Oh, here we go. Thought you were gonna be nice, Lucky. We're gonna find something that he can hang on his fence and won't get mad. He's crazy. Lucky! Lucky. Alright, Tin, he doesn't like you.
It's unfair, but it's so embarrassing.
I'm trying to get the fire, Kayla.
Here you go.
Oh no! You got the small ones. Thank you.
I didn't know I was doing that.
Thank you. Oh, bloody mouth.
What are you doing, dork?
I lost my tooth. Totally wiggled it.
You wiggled it? Came out? Let me see. Well, looks like it was ready. Get your finger out of your mouth. Gross.
What the heck? In her hand, I think. Oh man.